In this video, I am going to discuss the Big Five personality traits. Originally developed in 1949, the Big Five personality traits is a theory established by D.W. Fisk and later expanded upon by other researchers including Norman, Smith, Goldberg, and McRae and Costa. The Big Five personality traits, also known as the five-factor model, represent a widely accepted framework for understanding human personality. These traits are openness to experience, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Openness to experience. High openness individuals are imaginative, curious, and open minded. They tend to appreciate art, enjoy new experiences, and are open to novel ideas and unconventional beliefs. Low openness individuals are more conventional, prefer routine, and are resistant to change. They may be more practical and focused on concrete facts. Conscientiousness. High conscientiousness individuals are organized, dependable, and disciplined. They exhibit strong self-control and are goal-oriented and often achieve high levels of academic and professional success due to their diligent nature. Low conscientiousness individuals are more spontaneous and less organized. They may struggle with maintaining focus and completing tasks. Extraversion. High extraversion individuals are sociable, energetic, and assertive. They enjoy being around people, are often perceived as outgoing and talkative, and seek stimulation from external environments. Low extraversion individuals are more reserved and prefer solitary activities. They may be introspective and find excessive social interactions draining. Agreeableness. High agreeableness individuals are compassionate, cooperative, and trusting. They are often empathetic, enjoy helping others, and work well in teams. Low agreeableness individuals are more competitive and may be less concerned with others' feelings. They might be more critical and less cooperative. Neuroticism. High neuroticism individuals experience higher levels of emotional instability, anxiety, and moodiness. They are more likely to experience negative emotions like sadness, anger, and fear. Low neuroticism individuals are more emotionally stable, calm, and resilient. They handle stress well and maintain a positive outlook even in challenging situations. The Big Five personality traits are important because they provide a comprehensive, research-backed framework for understanding individual differences in personality. Here are key reasons for their significance. Predictive power. The Big Five traits predict various life outcomes, including academic and job performance, mental health, relationships, and overall well being. For instance, conscientiousness is strongly linked to success in work and education, while neuroticism is associated with mental health issues. Personal development. Understanding these traits help individuals recognize their strengths and areas for improvement. This self-awareness can guide personal development, goal setting, and strategies for managing challenges. Workplace applications. Employers use the Big Five for hiring, team building, and leadership development. By understanding employees' traits, organization can create better job matches, enhance team dynamics, and foster effective leadership styles. Educational insights. Educators can tailor teaching methods and classroom environments to better meet the needs of diverse students. Recognizing individual differences in traits like openness or conscientiousness helps in designing effective learning experiences and interventions. Interpersonal relationships. Knowledge of the Big Five traits aids in understanding and improving relationships. Recognizing traits in oneself and other can enhance communication, conflict resolution, and empathy in personal and professional interactions. Cultural and cross-cultural research. The Big Five traits provide a universal framework for studying personality across different cultures, enhancing the understanding of how cultural context influence personality expression and development. Now try this.